بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم و اعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة و من رباط الخیل ترهبون به عدو الله و عدوکم.
اینجا هرویه، فکر کنم سمت پاسداران، اون یکی هم ونکه. زدن 3-4 تا جارین بزنن. صدای هواپیما هم.
President believes the Iranian people can control their own destiny. And what he said last night makes complete sense. If the Iranian regime refuses to come to a peaceful diplomatic solution, which the president is still interested in engaging in, by the way, why shouldn't the Iranian people take away the power of this incredibly violent regime that has been suppressing them for decades? And so our posture has not changed. Our military posture has not changed. These were decisive precision strikes that were successful on Saturday evening. But the president is just simply raising a good question that many people around the world are asking.
ما در مجلس شورای اسلامی به دنبال تصویب طرحی هستیم که همکاری‌های ایران با آژانس را تا زمانی که تضمین‌های عینی